play. Woke up early to start her day. She stretched her trunk up to the sky and watched the morning clouds go by. Her ears like fans, her tail so small. Ellie was the biggest of them all. Ellie, Ellie, stomp, stomp, stomp. Through the jungle, romp, romp, romp. Ellie, Ellie, trumpet loud. The happiest elephant in the crowd. She splashed into the watering hole, squirting water, bless her soul. She called out to the zebras near, come and play, come over here. The zebras galloped black and white and joined the splashing with delight. Ellie, Ellie, stomp, stomp, stomp. Through the jungle, romp, romp, romp. Ellie, Ellie, trumpet loud. The happiest elephant in the crowd. She called the monkeys from the trees. They swung down through the jungle breeze. She called the parrots red and green, the most colorful birds she'd ever seen. Everyone together, big and small, there was room enough for one and all. It doesn't matter if you're tall or wide, or if your stripes are on the outside. It doesn't matter if you're loud or quiet. Friends make every day a riot. Ellie smiled and stomped her feet, because every friend makes life complete. When the sun went down behind the hill, the jungle slowly became still. Ellie gathered all her friends around, and they lay together on the ground. Stars above and warm night air, friends like this beyond compare. Ellie, Ellie, stomp, stomp, stomp. Through the jungle, romp, romp, romp. Ellie, Ellie, trumpet loud. The happiest elephant in the crowd. Good night, Ellie, good night, friends. Every good day has to end, but tomorrow brings a brand new play. Ellie can't wait for another day. Stomp,